This is Greg Cholmondeley, Workflow Analyst at Caslon, a company that provides accessible education, insights, and tools designed to help PODi members achieve better business results. Today I'm taking a look at a slick little production tool from Ricoh called TotalFlow DocEnhancer. Basically, it's an Adobe Acrobat Professional plugin that can help you make last-minute changes to PDF files, including PDF VT-1 files that contain direct mail or statement types of work. It's what I call a point solution rather than an integrated workflow solution, in that it is a standalone way to address a very specific set of problems. One of my pet peeves about typical solutions conversation in our industry is that they typically start with what a particular software solution does, rather than the problems it solves. So let's do it right, and start with the problems DocEnhancer addresses. Last-minute corrections. Have you ever had a last-minute change to a direct mailing that is already in final PDF form, like needing to replace an image, a signature, or a phone number, and known that if you needed to take it all the way back to design, you'd never make your deadline? Do any of these panic calls sound familiar? Our buyer says the product shown is no longer available. We need to change the photos. The branch office phone number is wrong and all the mailings to Omaha. You need to correct it. How about our CFO was just indicted? Replace his signature and name on the last page of every letter. How about after-the-fact decisions? What about all those brilliant ideas you suggested that fell on deaf ears for weeks, but that now roll in well after all the deadlines are passed? Like, maybe we should try a QR code to a mobile site with a special offer. What would it cost to add one in? Or, our Facebook page just went live. What would it take to add a link before it mails tomorrow? How about production markings? Have you ever received final direct mail PDF files that looked great, but that were missing intelligent postal barcodes or OMR marks? How about after the campaign requests? Have you ever had a client sheepishly come back admitting they'd lost the cleaned up mailing list and wondering if you had a copy, even though all you ever had was the PDF? I could go on, but you get the idea. Something happens at the last minute, and you pretty much need to fix it on the floor. Adobe Acrobat Professional is great at doing much of this for static files, but not so much when the PDF files contain large sets of personalized mailings or statements. It becomes really challenging when the number of pages in each personalized mailing varies. This is where Ricoh's TotalFlow DocEnhancer comes in. It allows you to specify rules which it uses to process a direct mail or transactional PDF file and mark when each new recipient's letter or statement begins. It gives you a way to identify, extract, and label key data based upon position and page number in each recipient's mailing. It provides tools for removing, replacing, and inserting images, text, or barcodes on each recipient's mailing, and it even has a way to extract data like contact information, offer made, or record number in the mailing directly from the PDF and store it in an external file for recovering mailing data. My conclusions? The tool is slick, quick to install, easy to use, and very effective way to address these types of last-minute and otherwise difficult direct mail fixes without requiring highly technical programming skills. This can be incredibly valuable for averting a disaster and still making your drop date. DocEnhancer is not, however, a general-purpose variable data design tool. While a clever user could use it to layer in personalized URLs or do some more sophisticated logic rules for putting in variable images or text, you would be much better off doing that kind of work upstream. Also, while you can download a 30-day DocEnhancer trial from the website, the only way you can buy it is from your Ricoh production sales representative. While that does mean you have some ability to negotiate the affordable list price, it seems like an unnecessarily complicated purchase path for plug-in software.